Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Holden that we're featuring in today's video, and I'm going to show you why they said this car was too fast for NHRA rules. Hey guys, I'm Justin.
Hey guys, I'm Mike.
We are here at the Irwindale Speedway, and we're here for the Elite Tuner event.
So today we're going to be actually watching some drag races, two-step competition, and some burnouts.
We're also doing some low car limbo, but we'll see. We'll film it. We'll see if it's good, and if so, we'll share it with you guys.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Charles, and we're actually talking about his, well, to some of us it'll be a Chevy SS, but it's actually an Australian car.
I feel like I'm on an episode of Chop, but for cars. So what you have before you is a 2015 Chevy SS. It has an LS3 motor, fully built by Rick Crawford, at least a short block. And I put a supercharger, LS9 Heads, and a Pro Meth kit on top of it. I also did the Holden HSV Club Sport conversion for the front and the rear. Mars Performance slip. And then I did a full suspension kit in the back, 15-inch brake kit. Cars pushing around 800 horsepower to the wheels.
To the wheels.
Yeah.
Wow. And that was stock. How much does it do? Like
stock, it's around 416.
416.
416 wheel horsepower, 416 torque.
Right.
But it's definitely doubled that over the past 5 years of ownership. As you can tell from the inside, it's originally white, Heron white. I got the wrap done by Creartive Wraps down in San Bernardino, California. They did an awesome job.
So you're gonna be drag racing today, right?
Yes, that's the intent.
Are you nervous?
I always get anxious or nervous because you never know what can happen. But I'm pretty confident in the car. I'm pretty confident in the track. Right. I've been down Irwindale a couple times before, so I don't think I have anything to worry about.
Okay. I'd be hella nervous too, though. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We'll be watching this car do a few laps, and we'll see how it does. How fast this thing is.
I'm not even like giving it everything.
You're not giving it everything, yeah.
We'd be over there if I was trying to.
Yeah. What's a 0 to 60 on this?
From factory, it's supposed to be like 3.7 or 6 or something like that.
Really? So with everything after that, what do you think it's at right now?
It's definitely got to be really low, like probably sub 3.
Sub 3. That's insane, man. It's what you did to this car and how underrated this platform is.
Yeah, most definitely.
It just blows my mind that GM did nothing to market this car.
Definitely missed an opportunity.
Oh, it was a huge missed opportunity.
It would have crippled their Camaro sales.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. And you know, the Camaro is pretty much the pony car of of GM, so they didn't want to cripple the sales on that.
A 4-door sedan is gonna be a contender against all these Mustangs.
Yeah, but if you really think about it, like Dodge, the Challenger and the Charger, they have those two because, you know, people like, oh, you know, I want something fun and fast, but I also want to have a family car that I can put my kids in.
Yeah.
That's the option. GM could have done this with this car, but they just missed it.
boys and girls, this time slip right here shows that he was in fact the very fastest car of the day. 109.63 miles an hour, 6.485 seconds. Pretty impressive.
Videoing this car, the Holden is actually a Chevy SS in the United States, designed by General Motors affiliate Holden Motors in Australia, powered by an LS series engine. They are BMW competitors worldwide, but General Motors in their infinite wisdom canceled the whole Holden division right after this car was introduced to the United States. It's up against the Nissan here in the right lane. The same Nissan Holden, this is the quickest car out here today. It has run 648, 110 miles an hour. This time at 656 and 108 miles an hour. Still the quickest and fastest car on track today.
As you'll see in the next clip, this Camaro was very, very fast. It did the 8th mile in 6.68 seconds. The mile per hour was 109.27 miles per hour, I believe. All right, guys, so this is a good time for me to show you exactly how the drag times work. Bob showed me this in the driver's stand. For those of you that are very familiar with drag racing, you're going to understand how this works, but you probably still haven't seen it from this perspective.
So this is the screen that I'm talking from, other than knowing what the cars are. And there's the reaction time, RT reaction time. It tells us how quickly they reacted to the green light. 60 foot, that's their indicator of how well they launched. Their first 60 feet is measured. 330 is the half track. This is an 8th mile track, so 330 is half of the track. 8th mile is the finish line. It'll give us their ET and then their mile per hour. And I don't have a conversion chart that makes it easy to quarter mile, but I'll give you an idea. If you run, say, a 9-second time in the 8th, you're running about a 14-second time in a quarter mile.
I went and let Bob know in the announcer's box that I had set up that grudge race with the 2 fastest cars of the day.
Camaro driver, this is a grudge race. Camaro driver says he's faster. The Holden driver says, no, I'm faster. They both have LS series engines. Both sitting on the same basic chassis. The Holden is heavier, almost 4,000 pounds. Camaro, red light start. Challenger, the Holden left too early. Gets there first, going 656 to a 652. Oh, baby, that was a good run. 114 miles an hour for the Holden. A 636. That was an excellent run, but I'll tell you what, he's done. NHRA safety rule. He can't run quicker than 639 without a license. And that's what he just did. So he's parked. But it's okay. We only got 5 minutes left anyway, and then we're going to the burnout contest and the 2-step.
Oops.
So, you know, the blacktop media car, too quick.
We got in trouble.
Busted.
All right, guys, so we're going to watch this play-by-play, and I'm going to explain to you as we go through it why I was confused.
Almost 4,000 pounds. Camaro.
So if you didn't catch it right there, Bob said red light start. That was on our car, the Holden.
Challenger, the Holden left too early. Yes.
So the Holden went 110.10 miles per hour in this race, and the Camaro went 108.08 miles per hour.
So first, going 6.
The Holden's time was a 6.56, and the Camaro's time was a 6.52. So even if we alleviate the red light start, the Camaro was still faster.
$56 to a $6.52. Oh, baby, that was a good run. 114 miles an hour for the whole.
So I literally just now got even more confused. The track time said 108 miles an hour on the Camaro's lane. But when he's reading the time or the speed now, he's saying it was 114.12 miles per hour. So there is some discrepancy there. I'm not quite sure what the deal is.
A 6:36.
It probably isn't terribly clear for you, but the 114 mile an hour time that he's referring to is car number 1176, and that is not our car. The Holden is actually 1168. So there's a lot of weirdness going on here. If any of you guys are drag racing experts, please comment below to help me kind of straighten this out in my head, because the times that the lights or the boards at the end of the drag strip showed and the times that he called out do not match. I don't know. It's all a little foggy to me. But nonetheless, Charles's car was incredibly fast, and this Camaro was incredibly fast. It was a fun day. It was really neat watching them, but I'm still a little foggy on what happened. So yeah, if anybody can comment below, I'd love to hear your comments on what you think happened here. I was not aware of this misunderstanding until very recently. So we thought our car went 114 miles an hour because that's what Bob said, and I didn't question the guy. He's seasoned and very, very good at what he does. So we thought that we had the fastest time and the fastest mile per hour of the day. And based on Bob's mistake, it definitely was the fastest car of the day. In reviewing the footage, I realized it was not the fastest car of the day. It was, in fact, the second fastest car of the day, only to that Camaro. Just wanted to use this as an example of, trying to motivate everybody to operate with integrity. That's how, me and Mike and Charles all feel that people should go about, things with integrity. And this is an opportunity where we could have just been like, oh, okay, we'll just go ahead and claim it. We'll say we were the fastest car of the day. That'll be great for clickbait and traffic, and more people will watch the video. But we don't want to do that. We want to operate with integrity. Sure, we could have advanced our YouTube channel even faster by using that title, but that's not how we operate. So just hope that motivates you guys in continuing to operate with integrity in your life, even though sometimes you could probably get further ahead by not operating with integrity, because at the end of the day, integrity is everything. So, sorry for getting so deep and long-winded, but thanks for hanging in there with us, and that is where the whole hiccup and confusion and the problem started. I don't know, it was confusing. So, if anybody has any information that could clear that up, again, please comment below. And if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And thanks again for hanging out with us, guys. We appreciate and love all of you, sincerely. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one. We're also doing some low-car limbo, but we'll see. We'll film it. We'll see if it's good, and if so, we'll share it with you guys.
See how low they can go.
Come on, Mike. Come down with me. Hey guys, I'm Justin.
I'm Mike.
And we're here at Irwindale Speedway for the... Try that again. Hey guys, I'm Justin.
I'm Mike.
And we're here at Irwindale Speedway for the Elite Tuner event. And I'm going to let Mike tell you what's going on here today.
So there's a couple of drag races, drifting.
No, there's not.
Wait, you said drifting?
No.
No? Oh my god, alright, let's do that shit again.